Hello and welcome back to Uday's Kitchen. Today I'm back with an incredibly delicious chicken and dressing recipe for Thanksgiving. And on my ingredient list I have here some homemade cornbread without sugar, some stuffing, and by the way I already have a cornbread recipe on my channel. Okay, you can check that out. I'll put it in the description box below. And we also have some vegetables, onions, bell peppers, and celery with some butter to saute them in. We have some spices, garlic powder, onion powder, and some cream. We have cream of chicken, cream of celery, and cream of mushrooms that we're also going to be using here. If you have cream of onion too, you can add it. And finally, some boiled chicken that I'm going to shred. Okay, I'm going to take all the skin off and all the bones off, throw those. I only need the chicken pieces. Okay, this chicken I used to make the chicken stock that we're going to be using for the chicken and dressing. Look at that beautiful broth. If you are curious and you want to see that video too, please patiently wait for it, as I will upload it very soon. So with my pot set, I add in my butter. With that melted, in goes my onions and the bell peppers together with the celery. Now we're gonna saute this until it becomes translucent. Okay, I'm gonna add in a little bit of poultry seasoning and some Maggi seasoning or salt. That goes in just a little bit. And the Maggi seasoning or salt. That is also set. Take it out and set it aside. Okay, now with all my ingredients prepped, okay, let's get mixing. At this point, I already have my oven set to preheat. All right, so first I'm gonna add in some of my chicken stock. Okay, I'm gonna be doing this easy, little by little. Okay, mix it all up. Keep mixing. Okay, that's fine for now. In goes my cream of mushrooms. Cream of chicken. Cream of celery. Mix all that in again. Then see whatever is missing, I can add it again. All that mixed, in goes my onion gravy. And finally my chicken pieces. And I add in some garlic powder. Onion powder. Now it's all set. Okay, take it, add to your baking tray, and into the oven it goes at 300 degrees for 1 to 1.5 hours. Okay, there you have it. I ended up adding some crispy onions to it to bake with it. Okay, this is so delicious. So there you have it. Happy Thanksgiving to you all. Bon appetit, and see you on Saturday. Bye bye.